Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. SQL Server is running and SSDT or the Ssis extension is installed. Open Visual Studio and create a new Ssis project. That gives you a blank package to work with. Next, add a connection manager. Right-click Connection Managers, choose a Do. Net or old DB and begin configuring. This is where you tell Ssis how to reach your SQL Server instance. Make sure credentials and authentication type are correct so the package can connect later. Once the connection manager tests successfully, add a data flow task to the control flow and open it. You add a source component, old DB source or a do. NET source, configure SQL command or table and preview rows to validate. Drag in any transformations you need, then add an OLEDB destination using your same connection, map source columns to destination columns. To improve performance, set batch size and commit size. Also configure error outputs so bad rows don't abort the whole load. You now execute the package locally to verify behavior. Watch the Progress tab for row counts and component durations. Once satisfied, deploy to the Ssis catalog or copy the DTSX file to the server, then create a SQL agent job for scheduled runs. If the job or package fails, enable package logging and review error messages. Common issues are connection strings, permissions, or firewall blocking port 1433. So check service accounts and test.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.